Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this Facebook video ads course. In this lecture I want to show you exactly how you can manage your ads account and to have an overview of your ads account. So what you want to do is go ahead in the settings of your profile and you'll have an option there, manage ads. Click on that option and this is what will appear to you in the case in which you have more accounts. So basically from one Facebook profile you can manage multiple ad accounts. For example, let's say that you have a friend and that friend wants you to manage his ad account because you are very good at Facebook ads, right? He will provide you access to his ads account. And for example, you can see that I have here a free ads account. One is linked to this Facebook profile, which is my main Facebook profile. The other is on a different profile that I've used for ads for a different business, and this one is from a client of mine. Okay, so basically what we want to do right now is select the ad account on which we want to work, and I will select the middle one because that's the one I'm using at the moment. And bear with me for a couple of seconds. This is it. Okay, it has been loaded. So when you have multiple ads, when you have ran in time, okay, different types of ads, of campaigns, this is what you will see, okay, when you log into your ads manager. So this is the first thing. You can see that you have here an option which says account overview, you have a campaigns, you have ad sets and ads. But in the campaigns, ad sets and ads section, we will discuss more about them in some future lectures. Now, if you go to the account overview, you can see some indicators, some performance indicators, like the reach that you have with your ads, impressions, amount spent so far. Okay, you can set up what reports you want to see here. Okay, for example, we can, let's say, link clicks, okay, impressions, amount spent, and stuff like that. Okay, website purchases and stuff like that. Okay. Then if you scroll down, you can see other reports, okay, and statistics. For example, you can see age and gender, okay, the reach that you have. Also, you can select from them 3-second video views, for example, because we will discuss about video ads. This is probably something that will interest you. Okay, you can see by hours, okay, which was your statistics by hours. Then you can see the locations from where people okay, entered on your ads and so on. So you have different types of let's say of statistics. Then you can see the objective, traffic to campaigns, and the account name. Okay, this is about it. Now if we go back to the campaign section, this is how it looks like. If you want to enter in a campaign, you just have to click on it. Okay, if you go with your cursor on one of the campaigns, you'll see that you have some options: duplicate, edit, view charts, okay, to see statistics and reports. You can activate and deactivate the campaign very simply from this button here. Okay, you just turn it on or turn it off. If you click here in the left side, you can see that I have different types of campaigns here. And for now, for today, okay, actually for yesterday, because here you can see the date for which it shows you the reports and the stats. For yesterday, I had like 10 clicks on this campaign, 2 on this one. Okay, I've closed this one because it wasn't working very well, but that's not the idea. You can change from here the reports, okay, the date of the reports. Let's say that we want from the 14, no, we want from the 14 to the 15. Let me just update. So here are the stats. Okay, and you can see that you have here different stats like link clicks, okay, depending on the objective of the campaign, the reach, the cost per click or per objective, because you can have cost per engagement, cost per like, okay, cost per click, and so on. The total amount spent, when the campaign or the type of campaign, if it's ongoing or if it's a limited campaign, frequency, okay, of the campaign, number of impressions, unique link clicks. Okay, and you can add other reports as well. Okay, you can also export your reports if you want to. You can also have a breakdown. Okay, you can see the columns for performance. Okay, you can select, maybe when you will run video ads, you will want to see video engagement, obviously. Okay, so basically this is how it looks like. This is like an ad overview. Now what I want to show you okay, because we will discuss about campaigns, ad sets and ads in a different video more. I want to show you how to create an ad, okay, basically how the dashboard of creating an ad looks like. So I will click on the create ads button, and this is how it looks like, okay. This is what will appear to you when you want to create a new ad, okay. And the most important part that you want to understand here is that they will walk you through a 3 steps process, okay, selecting the objective of the campaign, preparing the ad set, and then preparing the ad itself, okay. And here you have to choose your marketing objective. Now this is very important because based on the marketing objective, okay, you will have to create a certain type of ad and you will have to target the audience in a certain way, and also you will have to create a certain type of ad in terms of how the creative actually looks like, how the ad looks like, or what you want to do, right? And also based on the objective that you will select, Facebook will optimize your ad for you, okay. It will show you to a specific segment of your audience, because you have to imagine like this: your whole audience that you will create with Facebook, okay, it's like an onion, okay. For example, let's say that if you select the objective of the campaign to be traffic, in the first phase, when you run your ad, Facebook will show the ad from the whole audience that you selected to that segment of audience, which can be 10% of the audience that you selected, which is most likely from their behavior to click on your ad, okay. That's what Facebook will do in the first phase. So that's why it's very important what marketing objective you will select. But the whole idea that we want to, let's say, underline in this course is the fact that you want to go for conversions, okay, because if you want sales, the conversions are the most important, right? You want Facebook ads that convert for you, video ads that convert for you. So this is how the dashboard looks like, and we will go into more details with what everything happens here and how to create your ad and stuff like that, okay, your video ad in future lectures. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope this was helpful. I'm looking forward to see you in our next lecture.